Hello, what's up everyone? I bring another video again. I already used this strategy before. I think it's more than a year ago. A similar video was made with this indicator, guys. Well, the first thing, we're going to use the signal function. If you are there and see that signals appearing, go to the settings option, okay, click on time zone, then go to the indicator section and you see that it's disconnected. Look at that, all right? At disappear like this, just click here and be activated. All right, and what that's about, guys? It's simple. Going against what is telling me there, because that generates signals for me to follow. Of course, I have to look at the time here. It tells me the originated 3 minutes ago. The idea is to go against this. All right, look at that. I'm going to wait a minute or 2 minutes, so we'll see that. Okay, no idea for that one, but to go against is the when the signals appear, because when it's tell me to go down, I will do the deposit, hence the name. Well, okay, so that is the call. Had previously named the Illuminati, but in this video I will name the wave versus fish. If many people follow this indicator and it's go up, and being the OT market price will hardly be deposits. And look at this, we got the same situation. We just opening that's very good. We just perform an entry on AUDs anyway. Look at that, 30 seconds ago. That is not respecting or losing this one. Let's make this line. Let's wait for that. Look at this. Okay, in theory, guys, that's it. If there's a lot of people who start copying downwards, the price will be deposit. Where can you see this? Go to the signals right here section. Here, the signals I copied. And what is this one? Well, this is closed. All right, this is closed. And the people who entered on the downside, they're on the point indicator by the signal here lost, because what the price did was go to the invert. What this was high versus strong, and what is called wave versus BS. All right. If you are trade against indicator here, the signals mark a lot. It's very possible. We just got that 24, almost $25. Just increase this one. All right. So look at this again. 30 seconds ago, that was with a red one, and now you're gonna use by this again. Always remember that's always in the reverse, guys. All right. In 15 seconds, you're going to the maximum because it's going to fall. Well, there's must be indicator showing me that time, right? Sometimes that tells me no luck. I can enter that. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That's just go against. What does it tell me there? Here's it tell me that, of course, if something I haven't mentioned it, I should take the ones that appears with 2 lines, 2 arrows. Okay, pay attention on that. That's important. Because the other isn't strong when the symbol appears. It's telling me that there's a lot of strength, and that's it's a good one. It's a signal with more probability, very clearly, and that's, look at this, guys. We got another one, $46 of profit. That's so amazing. We just got 2 correct prediction quickly on the same pair. I can't wait for that. Let's go to the signals to see what's come up. Let's see this. Okay. So the arrow is not used to me. I'll wait for it to mark here. I have to wait for that 2 arrows. All right, let's wait for that. We just got single arrow. We need one more. to be sure. Because that's supposed that the trend for something else is training who doesn't know and sees that they see, guys. Oh no, look at this. Alright. Let's change that. Alright. Go for a short minute. So the signal generated a while ago. 30 seconds. Yep. When the prices was here. So I might lose it. Though that first case, if you see that signal generated by pocket option was a long time ago. Don't enter manually. A minute ago it's generated more or less in the same point, and then it can give us disadvantage, and that's if I enter late. I lose it because I'm entered at a decent point where. Alright. So I need to be careful. As that's too long. 1 minute. 1 minute 37. Oh my gosh. That's a minute ago was generated more or less at the same point. It can give me this. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. So, 10 seconds for that. Be careful. Oh my gosh, man, don't do that. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, man, look at this, guys. That was so close, $90 in profit in my account. The signals generated here, I have to be aware of that, of course. We have to see that, right? What do we have to see? The signals appear, guys. I have to see how many people have copied. Have 0 times, that's 50.64. That's more or less here up, which means that there are 30 seconds left where the price can reverse. Well, that's the theory. Not even who happened to explain it, but hey, it's that simple. Something simple, something contradictory if you does to have analysis. Somebody told me don't make the video like that, so okay? I invite you to subscribe to the channel, guys. I stay tuned on the daily post. There you can learn, you can make the bold strategies you have done, and also remember, I don't know all the parameters. I have uploaded quite a few. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. See you guys. Wishing you good profit, good operations, and let's go, baby.